Here we go again. Bear Grill. Bear Grylls. Unstable log bridge. Here he goes for the dismount. He gets a hand from his camera crew. What is this? Bloody fuck. A little tight there.
You're gonna try and attempt.
He's gonna take the only escape access he can.
It's the only way you can get over there without touching the ground.
Rails. Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. Oh.
Alright. He's gonna try and go in head first.
Wait, wouldn't it be better going head first?
Yeah, that's the way he's going now.
Okay.
I know I'll fit through there. Hey, if worse comes to worse, somebody's got to drag me out.
Yeah, we'll get you out of there.
The only place I'm worried about is this fucking curve right there.
I want to go in there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get in there.
Preston, you crawl through it first.
Yeah.
This is Bear Grylls. Don't try this at home. Don't try this at. Oh. Jam, fuck off! Oh fuck, J-Lamp, help me! J-Lamp! J-Lamp!
Go, let's go.
Oh! Oh! I'm too claustrophobic.
Yeah, I made it, but Stuart cannot do it. What was wrong?
This is Bear Grylls.
Oh, okay.
Don't try this at home. Bump, bump. Oh, that fucking hurts. Bump, bump.
You alright?
Don't try this at home. Bump, bump. Somebody play Bear Grylls music. You're gonna have to import the Bear Grylls music when I'm
No, I don't know how to do that.
I'm doing cool shit. Bump, bump. Bump, bump.
Sounds like cartoon.
Bear Grylls. Only do this in life-threatening scenarios. With a little help from my camera crew, I managed to get through. It skips ahead. Here you see a wild black bear off in the distance, about 400 meters. That is a very fierce animal. It will eat you alive. I've seen it. What is this? Don't move. Don't move. Oh fuck. This is it. This is it. Look. This is it. We're going to go medevac. This is it. With a little help from my camera crew, I've managed to escape alive once again. I call this the Bear Grylls escape. I'll see you down there. It's a bit of a squeeze, but I've been in the British Army Forces for 20 years. Never held me back before. Get the angle, get the angle. He's managed to escape the beast this time. I won't forget. There he is. Get to the safety. I've only seen this done in a booty once. It'll have to do. It'll have to do. I don't like this at all. Okay. Okay, I know I can't do it now. It's not worth it. I'm gonna be eaten alive.
Go.
This is Bear Grylls. I wouldn't advise you to do this one at home. Only if you can know you've done it, if you're sharing your skills. If not, don't do this. It's a very risky maneuver. It's a very risky maneuver that only the best have ever done.
left in the cold.
Like I said, don't try this at home. I almost did it. Hold on. Don't try this at home. You have to try a new approach. I call this the building scale.
I guess we can shoot out.
It's a bloody dangerous move, but this is my only option. I somehow got the mount. But wait! My footing had slipped at the last second. But I made it out. On top of the den once more. Landslide! Boom! It's still coming. It's still coming. Get to the highest ground you can before reaching for medevac. Now we wait while the rescue chopper comes. In the meantime, it could be stranded here for hours, if not days. So what you want to do is conserve your water if you have any. Find any sources of protein and never give up, because it's a mental game out here. If you give up, you're dead. Welcome back. It's been 72 hours since you last saw me. Since then, I've run out of water, and I've run out of protein. It's not looking good. I've built the shelter. It's not very sturdy. We're going to try something new. Obviously, the chopper's not coming, so you have to find your own way out. You have to do what it takes to stay alive in the world's most dangerous places. And if you have to do this, you have to do this. Do not try this at home. Like I said, do not try this at home. He's done it. Marvelous. This is the only way down for 400 miles. I call it the rope skivvy. Oh, it's very shaky. It's very shaky, I've maintained. Woo! A girl scream. Use your elbow. Use your elbow to lock your eyes in place. Conserve your hand strength. Here we go. Woo! He's done it. He's off. He's in the wild. Once again. Let's get a faraway shot of me running. Slide. Careful. Since the last time you saw me, I've done absolutely nothing. Besides, do some obstacles. What's this? That fish eye is coming back to haunt me. What's this here? In the jungle. In the Brazilian jungle, you have to conserve everything you have.
How do you watch the best position ever?
You have to do whatever it takes to stay alive. Fucking record, mate. Fucking here we are back again. It's been 6 days out here. I haven't had anything to drink in 2. The only chance I have is to find an animal and suck the bloody guts out of it to stay alive. Here we go. Here we have a 20-foot alligator. One of the most fierce creatures on the planet. Kill you with one bite, mate. I'm gonna kill it with nothing but a stick. Here we have my finely tuned instrument of destruction. The time is 6:18 Standard Eastern Time. Here we go. You bitch! Here we have, I've successfully killed the 20-foot elevator. It's bloody heavy for sure. There's nothing for Bear Grylls. I'm gonna take it back to my camp. That made a mighty good meal. Hey! After a good meal and a mighty warm fire, it's time to lay my head down for a rest. Good night. Yes, my chopper! It's the only time I have to escape! Here we go, it's my only opportunity. It's my only opportunity to escape. You mustn't miss it! You must not miss it! Yeah! Bear Grylls! Yeah! You have to do what it takes to survive in the world's toughest places. That includes you doing things you've never done before, so be it. Until next time, this is Bear Grylls. Goodbye.